page so page the sugar drop page. Na ene yebeka sakakra bi. Hwe me ni mama breye. Madam nanwie and need more rest. But and same way and same be a koswa. Me hu say we see a share. Na we have to clear the air. Nyema bebiri koswa Ghana for ya dwene maso. E said ebe ye bedru baby. You both dimboni bi a yemfa wo me front no. You have to give a clue. Said ebe ya edru baby na say nipa ni da ho na nipa e kan sem bia. Sa nipa no yamfo ama me fra. I just want to clear the air. Me sugar drop a hu me sa no. Me yobi a me suro wo bibiala. It doesn't matter say we me kunu. It doesn't matter say we me family. It doesn't matter say we me ba. It doesn't matter say we na wo to aduane ma me di. Sugar drop me yobi a mechiwade ene bone. Enti se me hu say obi ya ade bi na enya manuwe intimi nkanto. Samo hwa me topic na me ka bi say adia Africans, especially Ghana for edi enya pa ni unity. We are not united. And sometimes me uhu me sana me nka me hu nko Ghana for ho. Because me hu ni say Ghana for adwene da Ghana for ti mo no. Eti se preko Ghana for no bi no mo. Enye obi nye omunyina. Eti se aboa preko. Wo di aboa preko ebe wura dan mo. Wo dwale no. Esha na tale bone diaper. Ebo no powder. Na aboa preko san unani pie no okohuna techa. Aboa preko will still go to that teche and go sleep in that teche. Sana mimi hunu Ghana for bi ni mo suban. But it got to a point I decided say enye nyina you still have to, you know, mingle. Mama me kan some nchira mo. Mo mama ni na ho. Mo mama ni na ho because social media no etise your friend is saying etise kwaye. Social media etise kwaye. Se wugina chira wo hu ni se nuye si ho nyina bom. Na se wo wura forest ni mu a ena wo hu ni se enuya na esisi ho no ebia si babie esie. So social media na eda ho no. So wo hu no social media etise quiet, it's like a forest. Wo hu sa forest so to play mu na so hu forest wo down and so wo gyegia chichichi na wo hu forest a you think sa forest no dua ni nyina ka bom. But when you enter the forest, you see the forest no anka si babiesi. Kwadu si babiesi. Akutu your friend is saying amangu si babiesi, odrum si babiesi, wawa si babiesi. Munya very careful. There are some people on social media. They are there for fame. There are some people on social media. They are there for what they will get. There are some people on social media. They are on social media because they love what they are doing. There are some people on social media, they are real. They are real about what they are doing. And Timasma make a chira monene say, me pesa meka, Emma some of my followers, Mama Manina on a Drew baby and this video. I want you to save this video on your Facebook platform. Save this video, there will be a timer. You, the person watching me, you will call me Sugar Drop and you will ask me, Samatisse CSC, ma who said this is what's going on. And my catch or say, go to September 20th. I stand to be correct. I will be my date, go to September 20th. Remember the video I did. Go and play the video back. I told you guys, but because Ghana phone binomono, people are not white. People don't. They just follow with their heart. They don't follow with their mind. What I see, my steady hunyama bebre. Number 2. There are some people on social media, they feel say they have big platform. They want to mingle with people. They want to mingle with people. Be to say, what is Obama? When they get a chance to be with Obama, they feel say, because I know Obama, see me some real. Because I know Otumfuo, see me some real. Because I know John Mahama, see me say I'm real. Because I know His Excellency Akufo-Addo, see me say I'm real. But because say the person who they are following or not the person they are with, the person have Facebook group, ni group ye nipa 17 penti no sa nipa na ni Facebook group ye nipa 17 no nipa ne mengo but the person is not real because onu ni group no Facebook no nipa ni swa what you say sa nipa ni nyobi mo mama ni na ho papa and I don't blame some people on social media. I don't blame some people on social media. They don't want to have anything to do with any Ghanaian person or also social media page. I don't blame this kind of people. Mama manina ho. Enya defita nyina na ye fita. Enya defita nyina na ye fita. If you go to the Bible, what say? Wusuba na ba or say aduana ba e na ba kire duakora ewo. Mama manina ho. There are some people on social media, they are there for the name they will get. They have their own agenda. They have their own agenda. They catch it out plain. They have their own agenda. And you being your friend is innocent. You are so innocent. You don't know this kind of agenda the person have. You are so innocent. You want the best. You think, say, you and this person have the same agenda. I am telling you point blank, say, some of the people have their own agenda. Yes, I am telling you today. Me sugar drop whom is I don't fear no hook. I don't fear anybody. I don't fear my husband. I don't fear me, myself. I don't fear myself. I don't fear if this person is a president. I don't fear if this person is a king or a chief or a queen. Me, adia me nyame de bo me no. Me obia, me ye fearless. I am fearless, but me who so be ya de na enkoso ameka. And net me video no mo fam to ho. Munye very careful. Obi wo ho ba social media sika obenya to no bottom. Enti o social media. Obi wo ho join the agenda because of sika bi obenya to no bottom. Obi wo ha because say nyo no na enti. Everything is supposed to be me, Africans. Everything is supposed to be me. How dare you? Wokra your bad, sit your ass down. How dare you? Wokra, who are you to talk about this? Let me come and talk about it. Sadia I will get the fame. But not let me talk about it. Sadia the country Ghana will rise. Mameka someone chiramu. Ye kuro Ghana. The reason why ye kuro Ghana ne dahwa aye empty. Aye empty. He said we don't have unity. I'm telling you. And I'm giving you a clue. Open your eyes, Massa. Me from a neck or imagining way. I am doing everything with my mind. I'm not doing anything with my heart. Because me that type and I don't have a heart. I'm telling you, point blank, sugar drop, I don't have a heart. You'll be a kuma ped yakuma mini akuma. No. I am doing everything with my mind. Muma mani na ho. Muma nyesika chia bia nesesa mude mu hushem. Obi wo ho de no ho baba ba dwan no. Me mama me ka asam nkyere mo. Ye demonstration e koye no ye friend is saying 18 September amamani ada ho. Masa. Obi wo ho de no ho baba ba dwan no. Mumwa yesikam. But when it's time, you will never see these people. They will not show up. That's how said they are there for the money. Abrochire for na medemo mama manina ho. Mama manina ho abrochire for. The people on more social media who want the best for Ghana, no, you know them. You know them. You go to their page. You know what they are doing in their page. You know them. They cannot sleep to see things going on bad in Ghana. And there are some people in Ghana, they have their own agenda. They have their own agenda. When say, your Facebook, freedom fighting, fix the country, the money acquire attack, your friend is saying, New Jersey, no. Ebino by joining your group, when the thinking says, how me end this for? Or my genius and ye end this for? Or Mubaya Behu said, no, ye end this for. Me catch will say a demonstration, nipa by your papa. Nipa by a nebinumusha NDC atale. Before they were approaching us, no almost sign. Ebinumu by a bedina bus stop will be benye. Ebedina hokeke. Some person musake near your NDC for. Na komodo omo ho adwan ne ebinumu baaye Ebinom ba ye be hye say na ke ye promote ni nipa A ni nipa B ke promote ni nipa A ana ni nipa B a na kwode ni ho awuram. No, but these people, no, when they stand somewhere and they watch us, no, they say, no, these people, they are real. They have their own agenda and it's so good. We are very dirty. We can't miss these people. And it's a make them say, Mumma manina ho. Mumma manina ho. Mumma manina ho. And you're piano beka sikatuya bia mubetuya. Abrechina for mutia me. Hear me and hear me well. Onyo bia na bekasi kasem bia mutua mamonye obi bekasi kasem so mutua ye onkrofo ya yete se krofo mienu wo social media ya yete se krofo mienu wo social media ba kutimi kase tua sika sa dipa ni sika no. I swear to God, say if you have a dime in your bank account, pay to these people. And there are some people in Ghana, they are still hustling, massa. They are still in the hustling movement. They are still hustling. They know how to join the group. They know how to join the people. To get what they want, be wise. Be wise, I'm telling you, social media now also no. If you go to somebody talking about good thing about Ghana, listen to it. Don't just follow the person. Because of say, the person is well-spoken. Start cutting some clue together. No, sir, this person I'm listening to, he or she message every day, no. What is this person, no? Saying? Is this person real or fake? Yes. Ask yourself, sir, is this person real or fake? If you are Christopher Bible, crania see, a binuma dano one who pataku, and I bet friend yantene no. They are wearing in yantene tale, but deep down them no, omuya pataku. Sani ya musutie. Sani ya musutie. Edrusi kajeje dia. Ebinumu timi di omu nipa. Ebe timi abefra. Abejiji sika. Bedru time said to do the main job unti amu binumu jiji sika dia. They will never show up. They will never show up. Wobi oha wasi minu beko. Minubeko, Edru say ye de wo to afunda, ye de wo to adaka mu, ye de wo to amana na ye to amawa. Tell the person say you said you will go with me. Rain or shine or fire, you're gonna be with me. Let's go and see. Say you get one person to stand with you. You will not get somebody. This is how it is online. This is how it is about some people. You guys are flowing. Some are hypocrites. Some are there for the money. Some are there for the fame. They are there for the fame. They are not there about what they talk about. Some are there for the fame they're going to get online. They are too hungry to be famous. They are too hungry to get, your friend is saying, to get the people following them. Listen, I want to give you a clue about my page. Me starting my Facebook page. Nipa wa bua me. Emam sugar drop me page. Beka said that one day somebody will say, so this about sugar drop. No. Nipa bua me mami Facebook ban beskanana prempe. Beskanana prempe. Me ye video anu post to amame. Beska to page who beba asem. Ni page who beba asem no. It was advice say etira so hema Kwadwo Sheldon and some people me enko contact o na say be ya wo ye video na o video no be kwa akire enya sa wo de tete dan ya chidi a enya masa wo be stay forever. This is my page, the reason why my page is like this. But I'm telling you, say some people are goddamn hungry for following. And these people, when they see some people coming live, they see some people coming live, they see these people say they are threats. They are hungry for YouTube money. There are some people, they are so hungry for YouTube money. There are some people, they are so hungry for fame. They are not what they talk about. They are not what they talk about. Be very smart. Be very smart. We lack unity. Black people, especially Ghanaian people, the only sickness we have is unity. Hypocrites, selfishness, ego and a queen. Sanama Musaka Sibroni Atmia Akonka Africa. This is why we are so selfish African people, especially Ghanaian people. Me. It's always me. Me. It got to be me. Everything is me. Everything is bowed out to me. Everything is let it pass through me. But to give your fellow brother and sister the chance to be like you, no, Ghana man doesn't do that. Ghana man doesn't do that. Cheya leaders, Che ECOWAS, look at Ghanaian leaders. Look at how they are treating us. Do you think, sir, all Ghanaians, we don't know what's going on? We really do. But the unity among us is not there. The unity. So all this, your friend, is a third party people now, or more Ghana, no? If they stand one and say we should all join and become one political party and abolish NDC and MPP, they can do it. But they will never do it because of me. That is why Ghana is like this. That is why our political parties, our politicians are treating us this way. That is why. Look at your chiefs and kings and queens. Look at how Ghana is turning into. Some of them are so smart. But some of them decide not to join. They want to be me. Because me na me yo tumfuo. Me na me yo okonje safo. We are mantamo hene. We are just a sub chief. Who are you to gather? Who are you to dine with me, the Ochimfuo? You are a sub chief. Who are you to dine with me, this king and queen? This is how it is on social media. I am telling you. And there's so many, after this demonstration, you know, I am telling you, a whole lot of people have seen it. A whole lot of people sending me messages and telling me, say, we know this person have a big platform. They come on social media. They sweat like crazy. They tell you people that they have this message. We never heard them talk about this. We thought all of you were together. But why is it looking like a forest? Now we just entered the forest. We saw say each tree bears baby you see. And we are very disappointed. And I kept quiet. Because Driana ba na bechile dia koreti. Driana ba and a bechile dia koreti. And I don't do anything to get fame. I don't do anything to get I do things for Mother Ghana. I'm a mother. My work 4 and Kolabaku 4. I have 2 kids, 2 girls, 2 boys. And I know how it is to lose a family member because I won't easy. I know how it is. A mother somewhere cannot buy food to feed their kids because I won't easy. I've been a hustler before. Ice water, ice kinky, my betombi. Slave queen, my best slave queen. I know all this thing, and I know the dangerous part it is. 110, let's unite. Abusia, makaramo.